and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another super in-depth and super honest review on the Lululemon True Identity card case wallet in the color Meadowsweet / pink and white opal. I'll be doing close-up shots and unboxing, what fits inside, the pros and cons, and my overall final score of this product. So if you're interested in that, then please keep on watching. So since today I'm doing my first Lululemon review, I thought it would be fitting for me to wear a Lululemon outfit. So this is a Lululemon sports bra that my bestie got me for my birthday. Shouts out to you if you're watching this, Jack. Super, super comfortable, and I honestly would highly recommend this as well. So without further ado, let's get into the actual review. So first off, I'm going to start off with price and where to buy. So this card case / wallet is nothing new. I believe it's existed for quite a few years now. I first saw it in the black color a couple years ago. They also had it in this like purpley pink color that was mixed with brown. And I thought to myself, wow, I really like how it looks, how flat it is, but I would love it if it came in like a pink and white combo. That would just, like, the minute they come out with that, I'm sold, I'm buying it. And then of course, the minute they did recently, I immediately bought it. However, I've never seen this color combo in the actual physical Lululemon store. I've only ever seen it online, I believe because it's so popular, so maybe the stock is low, or maybe because it's such a new color combo that it hasn't shipped all around yet. But either way, it should be available in the stores eventually. But I happened to get mine online on the Lululemon website. The shipping was free and it was very fast, so I would highly, highly recommend ordering from their site. So now I'm just gonna go through an unboxing with you guys and show you what fits inside. Now let's get on to the pros and cons of this wallet. The first pro I can think of is that it is light AF. Because it's made of this recycled nylon material, it's super, super lightweight, almost like paper. One thing I love about leather wallets is that they are durable and waterproof. However, the one downside to leather wallets is that they can get quite heavy, and depending on the leather type that you get, the card slots can be a little bit tight to take your cards in and out of. However, because of this paper thin waterproof nylon material, the cards come out super duper easily, and it's just like butter, like so smooth, so easy. They're also very stretchy with lots of give. You can fit up to like multiple cards in each slot, which is super nice. The top zipper compartment is great for change and cash. It can also fit receipts if you fold them up. It's super sporty and cute, and because of the flat shape of this, it fits very easily into a pocket and mini bags as well. And apparently the nylon material is made of recycled material, so it's also environmentally friendly, so you can feel pretty guilt-free about it as well. And now on to some of the cons of this wallet. So I'll say that the zipper quality feels slightly cheap. The zipper pull is just this like flimsy little piece of plastic, and just the zipper itself just feels very like I'm not sure how durable it will be long term. Another con I can think of is that there was a huge hang tag attached to the inside of this wallet when I first bought it. And if you don't cut that out, it really limits the capacity on the inside of the wallet and gets in the way a ridiculous amount. Of course, this is an easy fix. You can always just get small scissors and just cut it like I have. But yeah, that is something worth mentioning. Another con is that the width of the zipper pocket area is just a bit less wide than your average card. So when you're putting your cards in here, you kind of have to put it on an angle first and then straighten it out, which isn't always the most convenient. Overall, my final score of this card case slash wallet is a solid 8.5 out of 10. I would highly recommend it. It's super easygoing, lightweight, and not too expensive, and it's just super pretty and gets the job done. So if this video was helpful to you guys, then please give it a like. It would truly help me out more than you know. And also please consider subscribing to my channel. It would truly mean the absolute world to me. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!